Okay guys, this is the box. Okay, let's open it guys. So
I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys! Welcome back. So for today's video, we will unbox another package from Travis. So I received it earlier guys. So this stuff, he bought this stuff at Sasebo based Japan. So because he said that it's sale, so he bought it as a gift. So nice of him. Char. So yun guys, we will open this package and let's see guys what's inside of this box. So let's go guys!
okay guys, this is the box. Okay, let's open it guys. So yan. Wow! Acer Nitro 5 and a shirt. Wow! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chappy. Yeah, guys. He bought me a Sasebo Japan shirt. Wow, souvenir. Thank you so much. Yan. And then, oh my gosh! Acer Nitro 5 guys, yeah. So he bought this one because it's sale daw. I think around $700 US. And then shipping fee pa guys. Grabe. Cost a lot of money just to ship it here. Yeah. He put this kind of styros to make the laptop secure and safe guys, because we don't know. And he also put insurance to this laptop, so whatever happens or damage, they can refund it guys. After 3 weeks I think, or almost 1 month guys of waiting, it's now here. Okay, I really like this shirt. Thank you so much, Pang.
Okay guys, here it is guys. So we will open this laptop. This one is a gaming laptop, I guess. Yeah, this one comes with a big box. Char. So that's all for today guys. So this one guys, this laptop, I will use this one talaga for editing. That's why he bought this one. So better if I can edit on the laptop, and it has a big enough memory guys, so it can save a lot of videos, big files. Gift niya daw to guys. So yeah guys, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next vlog. Bye!